So DUI drugs is interesting because legal defenses for DUI drugs are, I would say, more plentiful than they are for alcohol. If the drugs that you're accused of being under the influence of are prescribed to you, then you can make the argument, and it's only available if they're prescribed drugs, that the government has to prove that the amount of drugs in my system rendered me incapable of driving safely. The language is incapable of driving safely. It's only available to you if you're charged with DUI drugs and you're prescribed those drugs. Okay? And it's wonderful language to make the government prove not only that you are a less safe driver, but also that you are rendered incapable of driving safely due to this prescribed drug. So it's one of the additional defenses. Now, there's an additional defense is simply that you were not rendered a less safe driver by virtue of the drug that you may have ingested. The government has to prove that when you're accused of DUI drugs, that you were rendered a less safe driver. In most cases, they have to prove that, okay? There is one exception for if you're driving and the drug in your system is, let's say, cocaine or methamphetamine, and you're not prescribed that drug, the government doesn't have to prove that you were rendered a less safe driver.